Hello children, today we are going to learn our first class maths second chapter. So in this chapter we are going to learn the comparing of numbers. Comparing of numbers. So in the previous class we have completed our before, after and between numbers. So that exercise has been completed in our textbooks. So let us have a look on the comparing of numbers. In this exercise, all of you take your textbooks and take your pencils also. So, what do you mean by comparison? Comparison means a small and a big. So, we are comparing, which is big and which is small. So, here we can see which is small and which is big. This is the comparison of chalk quiz. Any two things we can comparison, we can compare them. So which is big, which is small, which is less and which is more. So which is the big size and which is the small size. Like that, in the same way, the comparison of numbers also we have. Some numbers are very big numbers, some are less numbers. So let us have a look on this. Take your textbooks children. Here in the page number 88, textbook page number 88, count and write the numbers. Tick the smaller number in each. So which is the smaller number, that one we have to tick. So here they have given the comparison of objects, different objects they have given. In one box they have given the more objects and another box they have given the less objects. So you have to tick the smaller number. You have to count the things, how many are there. You have to write the number and then you have to give the tick mark, which is the smaller one. So see here the first picture. Here some ice cream pictures they have given. 6 are there. 6 ice cream they have written the number. And the pencils are 3. 6 and 3. Among these two, which is the smaller one? Yes, which is the small number children? Yes, that is the 3. So you have to give the tick mark for the 3. So here we have in this box jugs. How many jugs are there? Count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we can write the 7. In the circle, yellow circle, we can write the number 7. And here glasses. How many glasses are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 glasses are there. Jugs only 7 are there. Glasses 8 are there. So which is the big one? So here we can write children 7. And here we can write the glasses 8. So among these two numbers, which is the small one? Yes. So 7 is the small one. You can give the tick mark to the small number. You can give the tick mark to this. Now here we can see the fruits. Pear. The pear here they have given the 4 pears. And the cherries. And the cherries are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cherries are there. So which is the less one you have to count and you have to give the tick mark here. So like this you can do this box children. Here we can give the tick the smaller number and cross out the big number. So let me show you some numbers here they have given the circles. We'll write here children. I'll show you on the board. Here we can see the comparison of numbers. Here we can see children which is the big number and which is the small number. Here they have said that tick the small number, which is the small one, you have to give the tick mark, and which is the big one, you can give the cross mark. So the given circles, the number, for each and every number they have given a circles here. So in these circles you have to do that children. So small number you have to first find out. 10, 9. So 10 and 9, which is the small one? 10 is the small number or 9 is the small number? Yes, 9 is the small one. 9 is the only one digit number and the 10 is a 2 digit number. So 9 is the small one. You can give the tick mark to the small one and cross out the big number. So if this is the big number 10 you can cross out and 9 is the small one you can give the tick mark here. Now here we can see the two numbers 13, 17. 1, 3, both are 2 digits only here. 1, 3, 13. 1, 7, 17. The tens place here we have the same 1 1. So the ones place here what we have 3 and 7. So which is the small one? 3 is the small or 7 is the small? Yes, 3 is the small one. So 13 is the small number. You can give the tick mark to this small number, and this is the big one. You can give the cross mark here. So 17 is the big one and 13 is the small one. Here another number we can see 17 and 8. So 8 is the 1 digit number, 1 7, 17 is the 2 digit number. So which is the small number? Yes, 8 is the small number. You can give the tick mark to the small number and cross out the big number. So this is the small number, means only we have the comparison of two numbers. So that we can do it fastly. So 8 is this is the small number, means 1 is the small, means obviously, so the remaining one is the big one. Here we can see children 1 9 19, 1 8 18. So here the both are tens place same 1 1, 1 tens, 1 tens. Ones place we can see when we check the ones place 9 ones, 8 ones. So which is the small one? 8 is the smaller or 9 is the smaller? Yes, 8 is the smaller one. So this is the small number. You can give the tick mark. So this is the big number. You can cross out the big number. So here we have completed the comparison of two numbers. So in your textbook children, here we have exercise. You can do it in your textbooks. The next page, page number 89, also here we have the circle. So here they say circle the small number and tick the biggest number. So the big number you have to give the tick mark and the small number you have to circle this. So this is also a very easy one. You can do it in your textbooks children. Now come to the another Roman. Here we have greater than and less than. Let us have a look on this greater than and less than. So children, greater than and less than. So what do you mean by greater than and less than? So here we can see the pictures. What is there here? Balls. So how many balls are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have the 4 balls. And here how many balls we can see? 2. 4 and 2. 4. So from these two numbers, which is the big number? 4. So how we will read this is 4 is bigger. 4 is bigger than 2. 4 is bigger than 2. 4 is big number 2. If we compare these two numbers, 4 is the bigger than 2. So how we will write this children? 4 bigger means the symbol we use as like this and 2. So for the greater than, so 4 is greater than 2. The number 4 is greater than 2. So greater than means the symbol we use as like this. So the symbol we will use like this. This is the symbol for greater than. Now here we can see the next one, the flower pictures. How many flowers are there? Yes, only one flower. 1. And here how many flowers you can see? 2. So 1 is less than 2. 1 is less than 2. So 1 is a small number. So it is less than 2. So when we will write this one, here we can use the symbol for less than also. So for less than, here we have a symbol 1. This side children, this is less than 2. So for symbol less than is, this is the symbol. Means like this. So this side symbol you can use here. For greater than, this symbol, and for less than, this symbol. So these are the two symbols which we use for greater than and less than. Open side, the right side open side means this is for greater than. And the left side, this is open, means this is the less than symbol. So here we can see 4 is greater than 2 and 1 is less than 2. So here we can see, children, in the picture. So this is called as a greater than symbol. So here we have the this side symbol, the open right side symbol. And the open left side means that is called as a less than. So here we can see the count of the pictures and you can keep the symbols like this. Here how many walls are there? 2 walls are there. Here how many walls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vases are there. The first one is, here we have only 2 vases. And the other picture, here we have 6 vases. Now tell me, children, 2 is less than 6 or greater than 6? So from these 2 numbers, which is a small one? 2 is a small one. So 2 is less than 6 here, not the greater than 6. 2 is less than to 6. 6 is the big number, 2 is the less number. So here this is the less than. Less than means which side symbol you will get? Yes, the left side symbol you should get. Left side open. So like this we can keep the symbol 2 less than 6. So here the first one has been finished for you. And the second one you have to do. There are the aeroplanes. Here we have the 2 aeroplanes and here we have the 3 aeroplanes. And here the flower pictures are there and the candle pictures are there. So you keep the symbols like this, children. So which we have the greater than symbol or less than symbol. So in the page number, here we can see, children, the page number 90. This page number you can complete, children, in your textbooks. So let us turn the page. Page number 90. Here we have the strip. So we can draw the strip and we can say. So I'll show you on the board. See a number strip. This is called as a number strip. Up to 20 numbers are there in this strip. Here we can see the 20 numbers. How we can compare the numbers using the number strip. So the number, we are selecting the 5 here. I have selected the number 5 and another number is 14. So up to here the first number, if you select the 5 and 14. So between this one, how we can compare the numbers? So that is very simple. The number which is very nearer to the 0. The number which is very near to the 0 is the smaller number. And the number which is far to the 0, that is called as a bigger number. So here the number 5 we have taken is very near to the 0. So this is a smaller number and the another number we have selected, that is 14. This number is far to the number 0. So this is very far to the 0, farther to the 0. So this is the bigger number. The number which is near to the 0, smaller number. The number which is far to the 0, that is called as a bigger number. So in this way also you can compare the numbers. See, for example, we can see that we have taken the 5 number and the 14 we have taken. So 5 and 14. So 5 is greater than 14 or less than 14. What symbol we can use, children, here? So 5 is the 1 digit number. 14 means it's a 2 digit number. 1 tens and 4 ones, that is 14. So 14 is a 2 digit number and 5 is a only 1 digit number. So which is the big number? 14 is the big number and 5 is the smaller number. So 5 is the, this number is the smaller number. So what we can write the symbol here? 5 is less than. This is smaller, no? So less than. 5 is less than 14. So what we can write here? 5 is less than 14. See, this number is less than 14. This only big and this is the less. This is more and this is less. 5 is less than. So less than means which side symbol you can use? The left side open. So it is the left side open. So here it is. 5 is less than 14. And here we can see, so here we are taking the 14, the first number. And the second number we are taking this 5 only we are taking here. Now if you compare these two numbers, so the same numbers. So we know that already 14 is the bigger one. So now here is the 14 big number and the 5 is the small number, that's it. Now how we can say 14 is less than 5 or greater than 5? Yes, 14 is the greater than 5 because the 14 is a more number. So big number, that is a big number. So 14 is greater than 5. Greater than means the right side open. So here we can write the symbol right side open. 14 is greater than 5. Children, suppose like these numbers are there. For suppose two numbers are same is what we will write there. Yes, that is one also you have to learn. That is equal. Equal to. Suppose 3. And here also I have taken the number 3. 3, 3. How they are the numbers? No big, no small. Both are same numbers, equal numbers. So here we have to use the symbol equal to. This is called as equal to. Less than, greater than, equal to. So these are the three symbols. Suppose if the numbers are the same amount, the same digits, so we can write here equal to. We can denote the number as equal to. So children, in your textbooks, page number 90, here we have some numbers. You can do it in your textbooks, children, like this. So I told you the equal to. Suppose when the two numbers have the same value, then we can write the equal to. This is called as equal to. E-Q-U-A-L, equal to. This is greater than. This is left side open, less than. And this is called as two lines. This is called as equal to. Equal. So they both are equal. Same value. Equal to. No big, no small. So count and write in the sets. So they are in the same number. If they are in the same number, you can write the equal to here, children. So we can complete. We have completed this exercise. So in the page number 91, here we have the fill in the blanks with greater than, less than and equal to. So numbers has been given for you this exercise. You have to complete in your textbooks, children. So up to here we have completed this exercise greater than, less than and equal to. I hope all of you understood, children. Thank you.